the verse chords and the chorus chords, those are the same. So it's pretty much going to sound like what I was just playing. Okay, so you're going to do that twice. So you play through that twice, say this is the second time, then it's going to change and do this. This is Bruno's part. So that's considered the pre-chorus, and then we go into the chorus after that. So let's go over those chords. And it's like a walk down. And then same position up here. Let's go over that really quick. But it's like a one strum kind of thing. And the last chord. Play at regular speed. Just make sure you guys got that. Then we go into the chorus. Like a little lick if you want. And then we play these chords, which we already know. Quick over those, and then when you get back to that first chord, you're going to hold it and just do a nice strum. Let's go over those. Here. Down here. And I was just doing like a walk down. Let's go over that really quick. Okay, then you do the verse again. The only thing different with this is on the second time you do the verse, there's an extra chord in here. Just want to let you guys hear this really quick so you know what I'm talking about. So this is the second part. Right there. So that kissing. And then we go back into Bruno's part. So that's just a diminished chord. Okay. So it's like you know this. Go through those. Yeah, so then you go back to the chorus. Go through that stuff. Go back here. And then Bruno's part again. Different now. the lalas. Let me give you those. We already know this chord. It's just being used now. Then we go here, which we also know. So you're going to do that twice. And then same thing, we're just going down a half step. Okay, so we got more time. And then we go down. Okay, and then this is the walk up. That part right there. And then we start the chorus again, but we changed keys again. Lots of key changes in the song, so it's same pattern, just in a different key. You know it. And we go here for the lalas. So it's like and it just kind of repeats to the end of the song.